Welcome back to the CHP Updates channel here with me, Roberto, and my friend from Canada, Austin Hui. And today, we will be talking about a Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft took our flight number CX3820. Then showed a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 8 minutes, and a track of 70 degrees. Excuse me. She took up the southern runway in HK at exactly 5 a.m. Then she landed at runway 907 at Xiamen Gaopi Airport at 5:57 in the morning. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Bravo Kilo, and she is special for being the second to the last A330 to be delivered to the airline, and the last and also formerly the youngest aircraft of CATHAY PACIFIC before the closure of the airline. So for the details of this plane, kindly check the previous video about B-LBK or Bravo Lima Bravo Kilo. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.